when you and your friends super autism hits real hard, you dig up an old 350 and see if you can get it running on a stand. I have these cool cars, but garbage.
I gotta care about this stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Say when.
That was fire that I saw.
That starts nice and it's nice and hot.
I'm just hoping that this Amazon cart can actually handle this thing running.
It's gonna start
It's gonna shake it apart. So our batteries keep dying, and we've now linked Rob's truck to this damn thing.
Desperate measures.
Yeah. So for some reason our oil cooler adapter just leaks. So
It's a
feature. So Rob had a change of heart. We're putting headers on this fucking thing.
Yeah, because
This dipshit burned his arm hairs off.
I didn't think the flame was gonna be that big.
Yeah, this thing's shooting flames out of it.